Welcome back into the workshop for a bit of a update, a Dave's Diary update. It could even be said this is a public service announcement regarding health and safety in the workshop. Well, you could say that, but it's probably not. In front of us is the part of the problem. In the dishevelled workshop, the upheaval in the workshop at the moment is all bits and pieces have been extracted from that wall, removed from that wall and dotted around so I can get to the wall, which has now had other stuff put back over it because it was going to get windy last night and that was outside. Okay, so the problem. I need my workbench right now to cut down a piece of plywood. The plywood I'd got some months ago was it's actually called Form Ply, and it's got a really good finish on it. Oh, that's actually reminding me, this is what the video's about. I went and grabbed the ply out of my alternative storage area, and here it is here, a full sheet of 18mm, might be 19, plywood, Form Ply. I was actually going to cut it down and use it as the drawer fronts, actually. But now I'm no longer going to do that. I've got this sheet there actually begging to be cut up for something. And the something is, I'm going to use it for the box to run around the wall that will house the dust collection, the ductwork, the PVC pipes. It's a bit of an expensive thing to have to cut up, but it's sitting there doing nothing. I've already paid money for it. It is what I call sunk cost. I'll never get that money back again. It's sunk. So I might as well make use of it and it's out of the way. Now, that has to go up onto that, and that all has to come off of that so I can get the track saw rail down so I can cut it. It's a pain in the butt. So, yeah. And it's nothing what I was going to talk about. That is black on black. I've got a Grabo implement, the Grabo Pro, whatever it's called. Very nice little accessory. But I just went and picked this sheet up out of the shed and walked it across the property, and I realised something, that the benefit that does give you is now less than I would have liked. Damn it. And why would that be true? It didn't make the plywood any lighter. And I realised walking across, it's like, oh, I'm either not fit, correct, older, correct, not as strong, correct, and this is not lighter, correct. Damn, that is not a good combo. So, yes, I purchased the Grabo so that I could get it, move sheet goods around easier, which is true, but it doesn't make anything lighter. Bugger it. So what I'm going to do, and you've seen them, is get or make a wheeled attachment for sticking on these sorts of sheets, and I can still use the Grabo to wheel it away, because you can put the wheel on one end, excuse croaky voice, you can put the wheel on one end and put the Grabo on the other, and you can walk away. You know, much easier, not actually lifting the whole thing. The alternative is you can put the wheel clampy thing in the middle, so it balances the weight of the ply, and then you can walk with the ply itself, Grabo or not. But yeah, but I like the idea of the combo of the wheel and the Grabo, so yippee. That's another project, one that I'd been looking at doing anyway for many years when I was doing the jibboard and flooring. Jibboard is a plasterboard, drywall, and quite often you're carting fairly healthy sheets, and the heavy or the awkward. So I thought getting one of those wee wheel attachment gizmos would be quite good. Walking that across from the garage, from the other storage area, yeah, it really refocused it, and I'm 10, 15 years older than when I first thought of the idea, which I saw in some video. It's my gym. I should actually not worry about those wheels, and I should just use it as my gym work. And yeah, but it does. At the end of the day, I want to carry on doing the same thing without it being impeded by the carry capacity of me. So yes, another little project now has to be considered. I'll have to get pneumatic wheels because I don't want solid wheels. I want pneumatic wheels and a clutch or grabbing system, which shouldn't be too hard to fabricate some rudimentary thing. So yeah, health and safety. That stuff does not get lighter even when you use the Grabo or equivalent. In fact, I've got the equivalent up there. It's a $25. Oh, so expensive. It was $15 when I bought it, but it's $25. That one happens to be Stanley brand, and it's a panel carrier, and that is brilliant. And when I get people to help me moving stuff around, that's what I give them, because they don't have the grip strength or lifting capacity that, hang on, I now no longer have the grip strength and carrying capacity that I once had. They are brilliant. So to be fair, I've used that a lot myself. So yeah, $25. Grab one. The problem with that is that you do have to lift the sheet up onto this base and then pick it up and walk around with it. The Grabo, you can put it wherever you flaming well like. So yeah, bit more expensive, bit more convenient. There you go. A lot more capacity. Rightio, that's it. The public health service announcement, whatever. Doesn't get lighter. Bugger it. Okay. Oh, balloons, hydrogen. Yeah, hydrogen economy. Balloon. Look. Okay. I do have some silly jokes at times, don't I? Right. Okay, that's it. See you later now. Bye.